Tired of your Tron TRX being scattered across different platforms? Today, I'll show you how to consolidate your FaucetPay TRX earnings into your secure Tonkeeper wallet, unlocking its full potential within the Ton ecosystem. First, log into your FaucetPay account. You should see your accumulated Tron balance on the dashboard. Take note of the amount, as you'll need to know how much you are transferring. Next, click on the Withdraw button, usually located on the left-hand side or within the Wallet section. This will lead you to the Withdrawal page. Now, open your Tonkeeper wallet on your phone or device. Navigate to your Tron TRX wallet within Tonkeeper. Tap on the Receive button or the equivalent option to display your unique Tron address. Copy this address to your clipboard. Back on FaucetPay, paste the Tron address you copied from Tonkeeper into the address field. Then, enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Make sure you have enough funds to cover any withdrawal fees. Review the details carefully, including the address and amount, to avoid any errors. Once you're certain everything is correct, click on the Place Withdrawal button. FaucetPay might require you to confirm the withdrawal via email, so check your inbox if prompted. Head back to your Tonkeeper wallet. The Tron transaction should appear shortly with a pending status. The time it takes to confirm depends on the Tron network. Once the transaction is confirmed, your Tonkeeper wallet will display your updated Tron balance, reflecting the deposit from FaucetPay. You've successfully moved your TRX. Now you can start using the broader Ton ecosystem.